Hello everyone, let's start with the management commands in the Linux. Management commands which can help you to create and manage the files and directories. To create or manage these files, we have to follow three phases. We have already covered creation of files in our previous session called phase 1, and the commands were touch, cat and va. And the next one will be creation of directory. So how we can create a directory? By using mkdir. The syntax will be mkdir with the directory name. My directory name is DevOps. Let's enter. Directory has been created. How we can check whether the directory has been created or not? We can use ls-ld DevOps. By using ls-ld, you can get the directories. If you type ls-l, you can get the files. Directory has been created. Now I can see the directory. Currently where I'm in, under home beyond techno. Sometimes you may forget the directory. Accidentally or unintentionally create the same directory name. When you do that, what will happen? We'll see now. I'm creating a same directory mkdir and home directory with the beyond techno. Already I'm having DevOps. DevOps is the existing directory. If you enter it, you will be getting this error. What it tells? mkdir cannot create directory because this file has been created already. So the file is already existed. You cannot create. Still, if you want to create with the same name, you can create it by using -p. -p is the parent flag. So let's create mkdir -p /home beyond techno with the DevOps. So this is the directory name. Okay, I'm just enter. Now, do we see any error here? No, because we have been used -p. So by using -p, you can avoid this error message. That's it for today, and thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop a comment below. I will reply soon. And please do like and subscribe if you like this video. It really helps the channel out.